Are you drowning in grading? Do you need a life raft? Come join me for my presentation called Drowning to Cruise Ship, Cutting Your Grading Time in Half at the North Carolina Digital Learning Competencies this summer. My mission is to teach you to use easy Google Doc features in organization in a way that increases the amount of feedback students get on assignment while drastically decreasing the time it takes you to grade. You can monitor student progress and know exactly how your students are progressing with their work through every step. You can gather data, specifically assessment data from student work, in real time to inform lesson content and next steps. Focus on time-saving techniques like setting up work folders, using comment features, accessing revision history, and tracking progress all within Google Docs. The North Carolina Digital Learning Competencies will be available July 23rd through July 26th. On July 23rd, we'll meet at Central Wilkes Middle School. On July 24th, meet us at Eastern Guilford High School. On July 25th, come join us at Concord High School. And our last day will be July 26th at Brevard High School. Don't drown. Discover how to cut your grading time and increase student success. Get your life back. Join me on the cruise ship today. You can learn more about specific locations and registration by visiting our bit.ly, http://bit.ly/DLC Summer PL18.